What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a YouTube video. I know I haven't posted in like forever, but I was in China, all right? Give me a break. But I'm back now, and I'm doing a song called Fade Into You, and it goes like this. A. You might be looking at that. You're like, what chord is that? Is that an A? Yes. I'm barring these two with one finger like that, and then using this finger to play the second string. Okay, just I like that fingering of it. It's nice. Cause I got big old stubby fingers, so I can still do this. Okay, but it's just not as fun for me. I mean, sometimes I'll do it. Like I don't know. I just play the guitar, man. You know, sometimes I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but then I notice, oh, I'm doing it like that. Oh, I'm doing it like that today. Oh, well. And that's what happens when you get good. So, you know, just kidding. Gosh, all you guys in the comments are gonna be like, well, you're not good, man. I've been playing for 25 years, man. Well, that's cool. That's cool. I've been playing even longer, so whatever. Just kidding. Where am I going with this? I don't even know. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video. But anyway, this song is in 6/8, and it's gonna sound, the strumming is gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So notice I'm playing the fourth beat louder. That's called an accent. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Alright. Next is the E chord, E, and then B minor. What was that? Oh, I lifted up this finger and I did a little hammer on. See? All right, so this is a bar chord, so the finger is gonna go right up to the 6th string and actually touch the 6th string, so it's muted. So when you strum it, you can actually hit all 6 strings, not worried about this string actually ringing. See that? So you don't want that string to ring, so you just put this finger up like that. Problem solved. So you can also do a pull off there, like boom. That hammer on, pull off. A, E, B minor. So notice you do B minor twice as long. E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then that's pretty much it. There's just one other chord in the chorus after it's like fade. And then it's like goes to D. Just one time, right before it goes back into the verse. So that's basically it, yo. Well, that was a short one, but yo, man, the song shouldn't take you like too long to get, you know, assuming you can play bar chords. But yeah, man, enjoy, man. Have a good time, man. See you in the next one, man.